Shorelink, connecting today, powering tomorrow. Shorelink is a technology company providing reliable shore power and charging solutions, connecting vessels and ports for a cleaner world.
Shorelink started as a small company with big ambition to connect vessels and ports for the cleaner world. Over the years, we have grown into one of the market leaders in shore power and vessel charging technologies. Shorelink has been a reliable partner for many first-of-its-kind installations across the world. The first Shorelink systems in Estonia and Iceland, the first cruise link installations in Sweden, Denmark, Italy and France, and specialized solutions for bulk carriers, waste collection and service vessels in Lithuania, the United Arab Emirates and India. Our mission is simple: to deliver connections between ship and shore for a cleaner tomorrow across the globe. Today, Shorelink is undergoing an exciting transformation, a digitalization project, a rebranding and continuous team development, all to strengthen our position as technology leader for sustainable ports and vessels. But at the core of our success is and always will be our people. Shorelink has a strong team that is powering sustainability.
At Shorelink, we are proud of our team and the creative customer-oriented environment we've built. Every solution we develop is designed with the user in mind to make operation as simple and automated as possible. All our products are fully designed and manufactured in Estonia, where every stage of the production is closely monitored by a core team to ensure quality and the customer satisfaction. And because reliability starts with the right materials, 99% of all our components come from trusted European suppliers.
At Shorelink, innovation starts with listening. We work closely with our customers, developing solutions for their specific needs. We don't just follow market trends, we create them. That's how our new solutions are born, setting new standards and receiving attention worldwide.
Engineering sustainable motion, on land, at sea, and in the air. Shorelink, powering sustainability.
Hello everyone, I am Kaupo Läänerand, Chief Commercial and Strategy Officer from Shorelink. And great that those videos are giving the chance our engineers and factory workers to be on the picture also. Otherwise the marketing and sales are all the time on the front line, but this is a great chance for bring them on the picture. It's when you talk about Malta, then I actually was 20 years ago first time in Malta as ordinary seaman on board of general cargo vessels. So this moment, nobody talked about decarbonization, nothing. It was out of the picture. I would say that 5 years ago when, or is it maybe 4 years ago, when Fit for 55 came, I was part of the policy making. Fit for 55 came from European Union, then let's say we were quite skeptic that they will manage it, and now we can see that shore power is one of the technologies written in different regulations, which is great, and the technology is actually here. There is no arguing like hydrogen and methanol people are arguing. Everybody understands the electrification is definitely part of the future. So it is a great chance here to open up a little bit more the background of Shorelink. Here is our happy team. Not everybody can have on the picture because we have to zoom it out too much. We have been very busy in Shorelink because the client demand is increasing. Clients know what they want, and we have been keeping the base up, and because we see with different new products on the market and the client's ambitions for different vessel types, we needed to have new rebranding. So here you can see our new rebrand. You can see those logos. Maybe some miss the old plug, but this describes more Shorelink future, that we are connection between the vessel and the shore side. So a little bit about the symbol. So we have that you see the symbol, you understand what is behind it. One is S-shaped connection, like shore. Second is L, and we connect them together with colors. So it's like describing flexibility to create connections. Some engineers see the high voltage cables in here. Some engineers see something else. So there are different colors behind it. So navy color symbolizes stability from our side and professionalism. And when we look at the light blue, it's sustainability and clean energy. What we hope to see in the future, of course, that all the shore power gets the electricity from the green grid. Also, for me, actually, the warm red, it's about urgency and action. But I personally see high voltage cable in here. So I don't know, it's every client to think. And of course, lemon is for high visibility, safety, environmental awareness. Also, in addition to rebranding, we were busy preparing the new homepage. We see that when meeting with the clients during the events, then not always you don't need the presentation in PPT, but you can use homepage. So we have all the information in there. You can see the references, what we are updating continuously. So if you don't see in your port the red dot, so we hope to get there. We have all the news from LinkedIn there, what are the latest ones. So you can contact us straight away. So is it service, is it sales, is it purchasing? And of course, you can choose in between all solutions what we have. Is it ro-ro, is it cruise, is it for bulkers, is it connection boxes? So we have everything there. And of course, the main contact points are there available. So I'm a big believer of good homepage, so it has to make clients' approach easier for us. So feel free to navigate it, and because of our product portfolio is continuously growing, so it will be updated continuously. So a little bit about Shorelink. At the moment, we are in 14 countries with our products, and it's the global map is growing continuously. What we see is, of course, Europe is driving demand for shore power and shore charging. But I will say that the rest of the world is not sleeping. They are approaching us. They are asking solutions. Is it container? Is it charging? Is it cruise? They want it. And I think the IMO GHG strategy, what was mentioned by previous speakers, it's definitely big step ahead, and it will definitely push shore power ahead globally as well. So to talk about Shorelink, we are definitely customer-centric. So we are adaptable for different solutions. Of course, every production company or maritime industry company wants to sell standard products, but we see that every client is different, and in the end, we need to be ready to make this tailor-made solution when it's necessary. So in this regard, more than half of our team are engineers, smart engineers I see the young people in the Shorelink that they come to us because it was too boring in other companies. So the client comes, is it from, I don't know, Spain? Is it from UK? Is it from India? And they want specific solutions. So most probably, and we have had all the solutions ready for them. So in-house engineering is important. So second is efficient. So Estonia, 1.3 million people. I understood, I speak with somebody, with some colleagues from Turkey, then Istanbul is more than 10 million people. So it's because we have less people in Estonia, we need to have autonomous solutions or solutions where you need one person to operate it, because let's say the workforce is not available so much. So all our solutions are basically operated by one person, and we should not underestimate the human OPEX cost over the years. When you buy the product for 20 years and you need 2 or 3 people on the key side, it's not okay. But we aim for 1 or 0. And of course, low maintenance, it's important that the client wants reliability. And of course, different weather conditions. So as mentioned, we have sold to India, to Arabian United Emirates, but also to Norway and to Iceland. So these are completely different climates. So this product, our CMS, has to work in all conditions. And of course, all the standards. So our product portfolio, this is like warm-up part for the product lines. I'm giving a little bit the background story. It's we have different families, CruiseLink family for cruise sector, ContainerLink for container sector. ContainerLink products we can open up on other time in other events. So Shorelink, cabinets, special solutions, and ChargeLink. ChargeLink is automated solution, which is completely working without any human intervention. And of course, at the moment in this event, we are zooming into the CruiseLink family. So at Shorelink, we are setting the new standards. Our engineers are looking all the time to be better. And let's say, very big amount of input for engineer comes from clients. Then they come to us, we have a problem, can you fix it? And the solutions what we are launching today have been a result of input from clients, input from market, of course engineers, smart solutions as well. But to look into the CruiseLink family, we have the different products. Mobile XL, it's with additional cable reel, so we can have a lot of mobility with the cables. CruiseLink Mobile L, let's say, at the moment, our most sold product with its family, and we have it for high voltage. According to the standard, we have CruiseLink Mobile L with low voltage, 6 cable solution, because this is demand from the clients. And of course, Mobile M with extended boom, because every port is different. Some ports require also extended boom solution. And CruiseLink Mobile S and CruiseLink Mobile S Chain. Those are solutions what we are launching today, and we see them as big player on the cruise market in the future. So again, the Mobile L is more to the environments when you need high reach and you don't have so much the problem with space. So with Mobile S, we are filling the gap for the ports. What basically I would say that most of the cruise ports are telling there is many things what is restricting. One is usually they don't have enough space, or they don't want any obstructions on the way on the cruise terminal. So basically they are looking to minimize everything. And this is what we are launching today is CruiseLink Mobile S. So it's basically the most compact CruiseLink solution on the market. So there is no smaller one than that on the market, and I will show you the video.
Spaces. Compact and efficient.
Okay. I start from 0.
Shorelink Mobile S is a lightweight cable management system, optimized for tight port spaces. Compact and efficient design, the smallest of its kind. Lightweight construction, space-saving dimensions, only 6.2 meters long, 3.8 meters high, and 2.5 meters wide. Dual-sided operation. The cable can unreel to both sides, no turning required. No outriggers required. Can be positioned and operated close to the key edge. operated by a single person. Independent cable feeding. Cables can be deployed separately or simultaneously. Active height compensation system. Automatically adapts to vessel movements, ensuring stable power transfer. Fully IEC 80005 compliant. Meets the latest international shore power standards. Shorelink Mobile S is compact by design, efficient by performance. Shorelink, powering sustainability.
So, yeah, we can make applause for our engineers. So later I have to ask one more applause for our engineers, then Andriana can make a movie that they know that from Malta there are greetings for their hard work. So basically what you saw was Mobile S, and this is really a game changer because the most products on the market are around 8 meter long, and they are, let's say, the height is there, and 2.5 meters wide, which is Shorelink S. Then a lot of the products on the market are much more wider. So this space-saving dimension is definitely for port owners or integrators or who is operating. It's critical for them to have it. There, it really takes much more less space. It's much more less weight, of course, and thanks to that, definitely we can make very competitive price for this solution, still keeping up with all the capabilities. Of course, as you were reading, we can unreel the cables for both sides. Very easy for operator. You push the button and you can go to the left or to the right. No maneuvering needed, because maneuvering close to the key is dangerous. And when you can lower everything, the necessity to maneuver, it is good. Of course, no outriggers. So basically, a lot of solutions on the market, you need outriggers on one side or you need outriggers to both sides. So it all takes space. With this solution, there is no outriggers needed. You just drive to the space, and as much as we have talked with the clients or the ones who are making concession tenders, because every minute counts. You want those who are selling the shore power and electricity, they want to be connected fast. Ship owner doesn't want to pay CO2 quotas. They want to also connect fast. So we are helping them to solve those issues. And of course, operated via remote control as well. So, and of course, our solution that you can operate the cables separately, that I still heard last week actually, there are some ports in Europe where manually 5 people are carrying the cables. This is crazy. We should not do it in 2025. We have better solutions for that. So definitely it's solving the problems. And of course, automatic tight compensation system. Here you can see a little bit our smaller and bigger sister or brother, some compression from our CruiseLink family. And of course, dimensions difference is quite big. And to continue a little bit with our product launch, it's the next approach is the different combination of the products because again, it's driven by customer needs. Customers want it. It's CruiseLink Mobile S chain. So it's basically combination, and our value offer is just the product what we launched together with the chain solution. And basically, this is perfect when you don't want actually nothing on the key side. So you can basically, with this solution, when there is operation, there is minimum space taken, and when there is no shore power connected, the key is completely empty. So I show one video which explains more, and here it goes.
CruiseLink Mobile S with chain is a self-propelled unit powered by an internal battery and powertrain system, allowing it to autonomously drive between the garage and shore connection points on the quay. First, the CruiseLink unit moves from the storage area to the quay using the remote control. It is parked parallel to the quay, ensuring optimal berth space utilization. After the covers are removed from the pit, CruiseLink chain moves to shore connection point using the remote control. The sockets are lifted and directed toward the center, facing each other. This design minimizes the number of movements required for connection. Once the cruise vessel is moored, the connection process is initiated. Cables can be deployed separately or together, making the connection easier and safer. The active height compensation system ensures that the unit automatically adapts to the vessel's movements, maintaining a stable connection throughout the process. This lightweight, compact solution keeps the key clear and organized by concealing cables and the connection cabinet. The chain system provides fully flexible positioning of the connection point, acting as a mobile interface for ultimate adaptability. Shorelink is powering sustainability.
I think, yeah, we can give another applause for our engineers, the second product on the line. So definitely this will be a good player for many ports across the world. And just very shortly to give an overview that most of it was mentioned in the video, but it is all produced and designed by Shorelink, CMS and the chain. So efficient port utilization, and we don't have to cross the quay. We can drive parallelly to quay and connect everything. So it's definitely special for clients. And of course, it's with connection sockets which are facing each other, it's making the connection for client much more easier. And of course, all the plus and pros and effects of the CruiseLink Mobile S itself. So basically, these are the product launch today. We are very busy. Our engineers already have new solutions on the way for different vessel types. As you saw, the Link family is growing, and in the next, is it TTF or other event globally, we definitely will launch some new products, because we see a lot of segments where the clients demand solution, and we will prepare them already. And we hope to be a good partner across the world and in Europe for the clients. So once again, thank you for the product launch that you were listening. And if you have more questions, please approach us. Thank you.